Okay. All right. So today is December 23rd, 2024. I'm gonna go over today's price action. Um, Today I took two trades. Uh, the spread was pretty wide as far as just like how the price action was. On the first trade was loser. Second trade, winner was able to make up the the loss with one trade here, and then I added to it. I ended up getting stopped out almost to the tick, a little bit over, and then price went in my direction to my preferred target, which sucks because the minute it stopped me out, it started running. So today ended up making 23.48. So we times it by 10, that's $230. Times it by 100, that's $2,030. So that would be um, just the idea of the trading style. All right, so let's go into the trades. So the first trade was a continuation idea. So price came down. I like that we're pulling back up here and we're selling for the most part. We did have a clear, that I'm looking at it. We didn't have anything here to help with the selling, really. I mean, price was going down. Hmm. I mean, but we did have this here. We came up pre-market, sold off. Let's see, we sold here. Okay. All right, that was weird. All right, so looked like we came up and I didn't really have a strong sell area. So and we never truly broke out of this level, which I was hoping that we would have. But I should have taken. This is the added part. Um, Trying to get a clearer thing. Yeah, so we never truly broke out below. So I should have taken the exit once price continued rising, right? We never broke out of that trend, and I should have said, okay, this is not working out. Let me exit because I think I adjusted it a few times, and the price was just kept rising. So, so it became more of an absorption play being set up. So I should have exited when price couldn't stay below the trend, couldn't create a new trend. So we pushed up, like it wanted to go for a continuation, but it did not continue. It went further in. This gave some hope, but it never came below that last selling point here. Couldn't get below it, and I should have just exited the trade early, but I didn't want to exit because of wishful thinking. And price started really pushing forward. As you can, both of them started rallying. So I ended up losing on that trade at 87.50. My stop loss was at 88.75, so 87.50. So I'm glad I cut it off early. Uh, yeah. So then I took the second trade, 10:38, about 20 minutes later. So being patient, this is a grueling day. 20 minutes later, I took the second trade. There we go here. Right, I saw that on both ES and NQ, price was rising, and we're showing selling signs. I said, "Oh, selling volume appearing here." So this, in my head, I was a bit hesitant. I said, "If I don't act now, I'll lose the opportunity." And so to say, just click the buy button. So I clicked it, and I called it as absorption, and it made sense. So price rose up here to my 2 to 1, pull back, and I added there, and then it rose up to my almost to my 4 to 1 start at VWAP, and then I said, let me not be greedy. We're at 4 to 1, which is a good return. Risking 79, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 points, and I'm at what 4 points here. So this is 8, 16. I was already up 16 ish, or close to 16 points. So, but that's not where I wanted to go. I want to go a little higher. But I took one off and then I put one at 90. where price was holding. Price held here, and then price came right down to it. Took me out at 90. I think it went to 87.5. I mean 5989.75. Let's go look at it at the chart. Five. Oh fucker, fuck hard. Sorry for cussing, but damn. Right to my stop loss. Right to my stop loss. Um, this is ridiculous. All right, cause my stop loss was right here below this. I like this. This is where I wanted to potentially add. It went up here and then it pushed down at around the 30. That's where my stop loss was, and it took me out to the tick. Fucking fucktard. It took me out right at the tick, and then from there, price rallied, went up, and after it hesitated here, and it went to where I wanted to see it, which was 608, which is the this mark here, which was initial balance high, and also this area here. This is where I wanted price to go. So if I was able to stay at this level, bastard, this would have been another 18 points on that one trade. So 18 points coming back up to this area here where price had bounced off pre-market, and that's basically where I wanted price to go. Something told me just wait for volume, wait for volume, wait for volume, wait for volume. That's what kept popping in my head. Wait for volume to tell you to get out. But I just couldn't really take price struggling so much. I'm up 4-1. Yes, this could have been a was I guess 8-1 play, where from this here to up here a 30 point move, or a 20 point, I don't know, 30 point move. Oh wait, a 20. This is called a 30 point move. All right, so it's connected again. So I mean, 30 points would have been a good play, but I got stopped out. It would have been 30 points though on this trade that I entered around here. This would have been 20 points, which is still good. 20 points, it's still good. That's 100 points right there. All right. Yeah, 50, 100. Yeah. So that's what I wanted. Price did eventually go higher. Went up to the 30-minute level here. And like I say, if I waited for the volume to come in, I could have exited either at this candle here where price showed signs of selling right up here, but I would like the price to touch this and then push for the sell to actually work. We don't really have any selling candles here. But I could have exited probably somewhere up here if I'm just started tracking it as volume started kicking in. So just had to keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. I just couldn't take it anymore. I am not gonna lie. All that I could have did. Well, I had an appointment at 12 o'clock for a doctor's appointment. I just came from the gym. I was tired and sticky. So much was going on, and we were getting so close to it. And I knew that I wanted to be done very soon. Eventually, we got to, like I said, my '08 level at maybe after stopping me out. We got to my '08 level. It stopped me out here. 15 minutes later, and I was in the shower by then, getting ready for my doctor's appointment. So even though it was online, but I just wanted to just get all the sweat off of me. So it was a good trade. I just need to be more patient, wait for volume to tell me where to exit. That's all I needed. If I just waited for volume, I would have been good, because there goes the volume again here on both sides. I would have been good. So this would have been a good trade. I just got to wait for volume, which is always have been something that I've been working on a lot. The trade made sense. We came to a 30-minute level. Price absorbing. Price could be my favorite candles formation. I like this formation. I couldn't really see it, but um, what I saw in the 5 minute really did well for me. So now I see my candle formation. Price absorbing down here. Now I'm seeing that's even much better. Um, and then we have my favorite candle formation, showing that we are because of a low volume retest. I don't know how to call it. And then we just shot up, so I was able to at least get some of this. I really wanted all of that. Uh, Maybe I won't trade for the rest of the year. I don't know yet, but this was a very good setup. Very good absorption, reversal, and there's nothing else I can really say about that. We can see here, price came in with some strong selling volume, and then started getting bought up. Got bought up, and then this candle here was the one that I saw. This was white. This was the candle that I saw where price was moving up and volume, selling volume was coming in, and it was weird. Like it was like when price was dropping, I didn't see the volume. When price moved up, I saw the volume, and that was good enough for me to say, let me enter this trade. And I just needed to wait for the next volume to pop up, which would have been right here. So that's where my level was at. So I'm doing good with my levels as far as finding them. I just got to do good with my levels of absorption right here for reversal. I just got to do good with my levels as far as exiting when price hit volume and not when price is at my threshold of pain. That's not really important, right? So that's pretty much it. Um, yeah, so a lot of opportunities too afterwards. This is nice absorption at 15. Nice trend line break. A lot going on here. This would have been a nice trade right here. If we go to our other chart and we look at it, we can see that we had a low volume retest. If we go to the 1 minute, I'm pretty sure that we will see that price when retested came to an area of buying right here, right? Retest, engulfing, enter right here for the next play of continuation. Very huge stop loss. Actually, this is a lot smaller. And then just let it ride out to boom, right? And it goes to volume again for the exit. If we go to the other chart, we see we'll probably have a volume up there somewhere going into it. We don't have any volume. I wonder if this is absorption on my other candle. No, this is just 415 right here. Yeah, we do have volume right here. Boom, volume right there, 415 for the exit. So we have all of this coming in, and then boom, selling volume, exit right there. So that's it for me for today. Um, I'm really loving my setups, ideas. I'm really loving these here. Price for the day came and just paused. I'm really loving using these. They're all making sense. I just got to be more patient with the 5 minute. Wait for my buyers to come in. So that's it. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I won't be trading tomorrow, and I'll probably trade maybe Thursday or Friday if I decide to continue trading for the rest of the week going into the new year. Boom, bam, bam, close. All right, so I'm not in no rush to pass my combine. I'm in. I'm just working on steadily trading my setups. That's pretty much it, and then being disciplined on waiting for volume to tell me when to get in and when to get out. All right. Adios.